Hey everyone, this is Jonathan welcoming you to another Proto Tech Tip. This week, I'm here to explain the differences between prototyping and high-volume manufacturing. Long lead times slow your projects down and derail your progress. That's precisely why we've created a unique, one-stop, mass custom manufacturing shop with a lead time of 2 to 3 days. As part of our one-stop service, we have the capabilities to fulfill your requirements, whether you want to prototype or manufacture in large volumes. In this video, I'm going to discuss prototyping and high-volume manufacturing, explaining how they differ and how we can meet your specific requirements on both fronts. To start with, prototyping is when you create a draft version of your product or system to see how it looks, works, and feels. It's a way for designers and developers to test things out, find problems, and make improvements, and get feedback from their team or users. Consider it as a test round, helping iron out the kinks before diving into full-blown production. By providing a tangible preview of the final product, prototyping enables designers and developers to identify and address potential issues early in the development process. To help designers create prototypes, we offer a 2 to 3 day turnaround on high-quality custom parts and enclosures with no minimum order requirements. This allows you to test your prototype and go through multiple stages of revisions without wasting resources on sourcing extra parts. On the other hand, high-volume manufacturing occurs after your product is finalized and approved. This is when you create an inventory of products. Your order quantity will be much higher. A huge benefit of high-volume manufacturing is the reduced cost per unit through economies of scale. In contrast, prototypes are more expensive per unit due to the smaller quantities. However, when prototyping, you have much more flexibility in iterating your design. High-volume manufacturing requires standardized processes for efficiency and consistency. As a mass custom manufacturer, we can help you build parts and enclosures with repeatable, high-quantity manufacturing runs, as well as create custom, low-quantity production runs. You can even order one single part with us. Depending on your design and quantity, mass custom manufacturing can be a great fit for mid to high volume orders. For the specifics on whether your project will be a good fit, please talk to your Protocase account manager. We have a blanket order program which is very helpful if you require large quantities, but not all at once. Blanket orders are useful for ordering a large quantity of parts while avoiding the cost of holding on to excess inventory. There are two kinds of blanket orders, prototyping and standard. Prototyping blanket orders are the ideal option if you're coming up with a first design. You can purchase your first article release at the regular quantity 1 price. Once you're ready to move forward, your design will be manufactured in release quantities, quantities 5 and higher, for 12 months based on your needs. Pricing for these releases will be based on the price for the total quantity you've ordered, minus an additional credit that will be issued for each unit released. For standard blanket orders, you can get your design manufactured in quantities anywhere from 5 units to hundreds, released on a regular basis. This will get you a much lower price while receiving your parts when you need them. If you have any question on this subject, you can get in touch with one of our friendly and knowledgeable account managers by sending across an email to info@protocase.com. They'll get back to you within 1 business day. And that's it for this week's Proto Tech Tip. Thanks for watching, and if you like our content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care and keep innovating.